Let's learn how to unlike all videos you liked at once. You maybe have liked a lot of videos, and now you decided to unlike them. Maybe because you want to keep your profile clean or any other reason. Anyway, I will show you how can you try to unlike all of them at once. If this didn't help, stay to the end of the video, because I will give you a tip that will help you. So let's first start by opening your TikTok application. This both works on iOS and Android devices. From your TikTok homepage, tap Profile icon in bottom right corner that will lead you to your profile page. Once you are there, search for your liked videos. They are on the heart button icon. Now, if you don't have much videos that you liked, you can unlike them manually like I did here. But if you have thousands of videos you liked, this will take a lot of time, and you probably don't want to do that. What you can do is click on 3 horizontal lines in upper right corner when pop-up appears. Search for and tap Settings and Privacy option that will open Now Settings page. After that, scroll down at the very end of a page until you find Report a Problem option. Select it and go there. When the page loads, find Interaction option. It's one with the 2 persons icon. Tap it, and it will show the new list of various options. Click the Likes option, and it will open new page with, again, few different things. Ignore all of this and click on Other. Now you will be asked some stuff that you don't want to read. Skip all of it and just tap on Need More Help option. So now this will lead you to Support Ticket page. Here you can contact TikTok, and you can tell them about your problem. So type there that you want to unlike all of your videos, tell them a reason why you want to do that, and also it would be nice if you leave them some evidence, such as screenshots, etc. When you are finished, just tap on this Submit button, give TikTok support time, and they should answer you if they will unlike it or no. Now, if this didn't help, it's maybe because this service isn't available in your country, so you can also try to change your location and settings. Set some famous and big country that must have it, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.